invite you to our centennial celebration. Yes! Bakit parang yung boses natin? Parang hindi tayo nag-uusap. Oo nga.
You want to drink coffee?
No! Don't do that. Let's hold hands. We are inviting you to our centennial celebration. Let's call on our friends to talk about this celebration. Okay.
Would you like to sing?
Ayoko na siya. Parang mas type ko yata ito si Mike. I thank you very much, Paco and Kathy.
Ano ba yan? Ba't may ganyan?
Parang pangit na.
Parang pati, parang budo. Aray! Aray!
Uy, huwag. Napaka-wholesome nga eh. Ito, it's a wholesome bunch of friends group. We have friends and they are from the batch 74 of Paco Catholic School. And they will be having their 100-year celebration. And here to talk about their upcoming event is, of course, rather,
taga Paco.
Siyempre, Paco batch 74.
Hindi ako nagdadaan dyan sa Paco.
Ganun ba? Bakit? Baka ma-flat ka.
Ma-flat ako.
Batch 74, please welcome our friends from Paco Catholic School.
Yeah.
Thank you. Si Captain, nandiyan si Captain. Okay, thank you very much for coming tonight. Thank you, ha. Bakit nakakatuwa naman to si...
Natulog na tuloy sila.
Oo nga, natulog si Paco at saka si Kathy. Di ba?
Yes.
Oo, mag-HH pa sila. HH...
They are
WWH.
batchmates from
sila.
Paco Catholic School, high school batch 74.
Batch 74.
Yes.
Okay. Oy, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. Yes. Thank you very much, Jojo.
Let's have your names first. Para...
Yes.
Okay.
My name is Maria. This is Emily.
Emily.
I'm Romy Jo.
Romy.
I'm Jay Ferrer Jo.
Oh.
And Brad Pitt.
And what's your name?
I forgot my name.
Parang nakita kita sa butika, pare.
Oo nga. Favorite mo.
Okay, but many thanks for coming. And you have a group, an event upcoming. 100 years of Paco Catholic,
Yes.
ha?
Wow.
Oh, ganun na ba katagal yun?
Matagal na. 100 years na ang Paco Catholic
Centennial
School.
na nga, ano?
Yes.
Pero hindi kayo batch 74
Pero
kayo.
hindi naman kami 100 years old.
Centennial. Oh, wala yun. Biro lang.
Yes.
Oldies but goodies.
Oldies mag-goodies, ha?
Oldies but yummies.
Oldies.
Oldies but yummies.
Yes.
Age namin ang Voltes 5.
Avengers.
Correct. Natanda mo ba yan? Ang Voltes 5.
Oo nga naman, Avengers na ngayon. No?
Yes,
Now, before we go to the actual celebration, di ba?
Okay.
Let's talk about yung mga noon, di ba? Na hanggang ngayon, mamayagpag pa. Ano ba mga like Ate Guy and Ate V?
Yes, inapakarami na.
Di ba? Oo.
70s yan.
70s. Ano ba mga hinabot nyo?
Voltes,
Meralco
yes,
Crispa,
basketball. Crispa, Toyota.
Crispa Toyota, pare.
Before that,
Crispa Toyota.
Meralco, ano ba?
Uy, hindi ko yata inabot yun.
Hindi ko inabot yung Meralco
Crispa
Crispa.
Toyota na.
Hindi kasi Mika Days yun. Mika Days.
Mika.
Before PBA, Mika.
Correct, Mika.
That was Mika, yeah.
Pwede ba umalis? Hindi ako makarelate.
Hindi siya makarelate.
Hindi, pare, ba hindi ka na mag-Google? At least dito, alam na natin, first hand.
Sige, mapakinggan ko for my education.
Hindi pa kami nanonood sa mall noon. Puro mga sine. May Rizal Theater,
Rizal
may
Theater.
Avenue Theater.
Ako dyan sa Paco, meron dyan CDS.
Oo, sa tapat ng butika namin yun.
Alam mo kung ano yung S?
Ano?
Suro. Meron talaga sa may palengke.
Oo, kundi. Tapat
Hindi Dito, Bellevue. Dito, Bellevue.
Sa Heran yun.
Dito,
Dito
yung sinisurot.
Maliligaw na sila ngayon nun. Hindi na nila matatandaan yung
Ah,
mga
oo.
lugar
Wala
na yun.
wala na yung mga sine.
Hindi pa ako pinapalabas nung kasi eh. Kasi
Tama.
Tama.
strict yung yaya ko eh.
Oo.
Hindi pa ako. Hindi. Alam ko rin yung mga nun. Ito na po, friends.
Ganyan kalalaki
Yung mga nanonood sa atin na medyo kaedaro ng ano, alam ko, ito, this is what I like. Yung mga
Batang-bata pa si Jojo nung idol na. Papanood natin yan doon.
Oo, napapanood natin sa Dance
Entertainment.
Anong group?
Wednesday yan.
Wednesday.
Wednesday group yata. May kalab team pa yan eh. Live ko rin yung kalab team yan eh.
parang sa radyo lang tayo yan. Oh, hindi nga. 174.
For PCS 100.
Bakit? Why do you have those?
Kasi ito yung
As your tagline.
batch. Batch 70 ng elementary, batch 74 ng high school. So, we are targeting a minimum of 100 to attend the PCS Centennial on November 8.
Our batch will be having our own
Yes.
celebration,
Wala mo,
and it
na
will
Maria.
culminate on November 8. So we decided that, alam mo, kasi ang tagal namin hindi nagkita-kita, no?
Right.
So sabi namin, let's get together for one whole week. Ng bonggang-bongga.
Okay, oo ba? You know?
So, starting November 2, meron na kami mga naka-line up na activities.
Like what? Sports fest? Mga
Yes,
ganyan?
different. Different,
Yeah, actually, Joe, we will be starting on November 2, no? We will have the Paco walking tour, no? Actually kasi sa batch namin, ako na lang ang nakatira sa Paco ngayon.
Napako ka
Oo,
pa.
napako ako. The rest talaga, ng ibang lugar na, ng ibang bayan, ano? Okay, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting view dun sa aming school before, no?
Okay.
Actually, napapaligiran kami ng apat na, we have the Heran Street, Paz Street, and 13 de Agosto.
Okay.
At sa likod nun, estero.
Pero di pa.
Oo. Kaya amoy namin lahat ng estero habang kami tinuturuan.
Wow.
Grabe. At saka palengke area talaga yung Paco Catholic School before. No? Actually ngayon pa rin gano'n, pero iba na yung atmosphere. Medyo mabango na.
Medyo
Oo, mabango na compared before. Okay? Okay, we have November 2, the Paco Walking Tour. Ako nga medyo iikot kami sa buong streets na yun, no? Sa 4th streets na yun. Ha? 2 minutes, okay, para maalala namin kung
So,
ano
hindi
kami.
to contest who walks
Hindi,
faster.
walk lang. Oh. Walang korakos, basta.
Walk
Kasi hindi na kami pwedeng tumakbo. Hindi na. Kailangan walking lang.
Okay lang.
And at night, we have the teacher's recognition.
Oh, wow. No, I think Teacher's Apology Night siguro yan.
Apology na eh.
Mag-apologize
Sa
ka
mga
na.
ginawa namin, alam mo na. Kasi alam mo, time na para parangalan namin, bigyan
Correct,
namin ng
tama,
parangal
tama.
ang mga
After all, tama yan, tama.
aming mga guro, di ba?
Correct.
Sa 4 na sulok ng Pilipinas at sa 4 na sulok ng mundo, sinaliksik, hinanap namin sila.
Oh,
Oo!
ano, so, are
Marami
they
kami-
going to be complete? Maraming nag-okay.
Meron na rin namayapa na at meron pa rin namamayagpag. Yun lang. Yun nga sa gabi.
Ano ba iba? Ito, are you classmates ba talaga?
We're schoolmates.
Oh.
Because
Pero
separate
batchmates, pero hindi ano.
separate kasi kaya lang paghiwalay yung manika.
Ah, ganun ba? Oh,
Separate departments kami. Iba yung boys,
iba yung boys
girls.
May boys pa yung girls. May
Naku, exciting.
Yes, ngayon lang kami nagkasama.
May
Kaya
harang,
kami
may
nagkakilala. We hardly know this people. Bawal eh, mapi-principal's office o ARO office, di ba?
Sana niligawan
Ibig mo sabihin,
namin
ganun kalupit nung araw.
Sana iba na pangasawa nito.
Oh, wow. Painit to. We'll just pause for a minute and get back. More of our very good friends from Batch 74 of Paco Catholic. Stay with us here in the Medyo Late Night Show.
Freak out. So shoot. Freak out. Freak out. All that pressure got you down as your head spin around to the rhythm. Check.
Paco! Kathy? No. Go to the principal's office. Bakit na? Bawal yan kayo ha? Sige, doon tayo. Walang tao. Ang cute naman nun. Bakit may dance, no? I mean, maganda naman, representation, no? Mga, Si Paco and Kathy.
Because we're trying to raise funds for our scholarship project. You know, yung mga activities naman namin from November 2 up to 7 are all fun. So, but this time, sabi namin sa isa't isa, we'll have to have a relevant project also. Jojo.
Yeah.
So, so, we're trying to raise funds by selling these dolls to the public and to ourselves. So we are advertising the dolls.
Ah, okay. Oh, wow. Adopt
Yes.
a doll.
Adopt a doll and send a child to school. Hopefully, by selling these dolls, we may be able to send at least one child or two children to school.
Oh, nice. Galing
Diba?
naman. Oh, ang ganda.
So, kami mga magkaka-classmates, from way back, we got back together again. We have a lot of activities, but likewise, we have a meaningful and noble project.
Ah, galing naman. Among other projects pa. that
Among
you
other
have.
projects.
Right,
Pero
right.
Jojo, we're not yet done with the activities.
Oh, sige, sige.
Okay,
Paano ba natin?
Jay?
Oh.
On the 4th, pagtapos nung walk and teacher's recognition, ito pwede namin bitayin si Brad Pitt. Ito yung Old Olympics.
Old
Old
Olympics.
Olympics.
May
Hindi
magbabasketball
Olympics.
yung mga...
Old na, limping pa.
Yung mga babae naman, magbabaliball. And, you know, as Attorney Maria says, it would be fun for all of these guys who maybe they could still run or
Oh,
maybe
right,
not, di ba?
right. Oh,
But they could still hit the ball, they could shoot it.
Of
I doubt
course,
it.
everybody can still.
Everything would be comedy on that
Right.
basketball game or volleyball game.
All in the spirit of fun. All in the spirit of fun.
As to the fundraising, we urge everyone to please buy our dolls. They are priced at 500 pesos per doll. So, Emily will tell us more.
All you need to do is send your message at Facebook or send us a text at 0920-905-2699. Our dolls are priced at 500 per doll. And then we have Kathy and Paco. Kathy, we have a variation. One has a braided hair and the other one has pigtails.
Okay, great. Oh, I see. I know.
Yung mga mayayaman naming kabat sa Amerika, sa Middle East, para makita niyo yung dating yung mga crush.
Yeah.
Sa akin doon, di ba? Baka meron eh.
Parang nauna ka na.
Gusto ko makita yung nililibre ko ng siopaw nung araw.
Ikaw talaga, parang kang binugaw mo na itong mga
Anyway, we will be having them again one of the days, these days soon as the event approaches, no? As it nears. Momentarily, many thanks for you guys, our friends from Paco Catholic School. Thank you. You should come back. You
We
should
are
come back.
presenting to you
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
T-shirts.
Oh, wow,
we're
thank you.
making you honorary members
Our
of our batch.
batchmate. Can we make you our
Oh, sure.
batchmate?
Pleasure's all mine. Thank you very much. Wow, my own shirt. Thank you very much. Our friends from Paco Catholic High School, Batch 74. And let's have you back again siguro as it nears. Let's talk about it more para lalo maraming makapunta at
The entire batch will be here.
Ay, oo ba? Oo, mas masaya. Di ba? More than 100.
Yeah.
Oo, pag nagkataon. Okay, thank you very much again to Batch 74. Thank you. Thank you to FMD. Thank you, guys. Momentarily, I always leave you with this note, always do everything, friends. For the greater glory of God and for the service of man, always love and always laugh. This has been the Medyo Late Night Show. And I'm Jojo A. More night, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.